Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm showing you how to install YouTube app on your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser and then go ahead and come to the address bar right here. And then what you want to do right here is to go ahead and type in www.youtube.com and hit enter. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top corner right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on cast, save, and share. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and navigate to install YouTube right that. And this is going to come up install app. Go ahead and click on install right here. Just like so. In a few seconds, you have your YouTube app right here. It's that simple. Time you come to your PC environment, you have YouTube app right here. So each time you want to access YouTube, just go ahead and hover your mouse on the youtube.com icon on your Windows PC and press enter here on your keyboard, and it automatically takes you to app right here. Then from here, you can watch different type of video as well, do whatever you are doing on the browser in your YouTube app right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.